Hello beautiful people, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today is a fun day. It's on a Sunday and we are going to enjoy ourselves in Eindhoven, and the fun part is that I'm going to be taking you guys with me in the whole trip. So come with us and let's go have fun. It has been a long time since I was in that town, and now yeah, it's time to start exploring again because we have some time to ourselves. So let's do that together. In case it's your first time coming across this channel, please feel welcome to Ruth Mbogo. Please subscribe. Here we have fun, enjoy and celebrate together. Okay, so yeah, let's do this and let's have fun. Whether the sun is coming out, but it's also very cloudy. Maybe it's going to rain. Yesterday it rained a lot, but yeah, spring is here with us and everything looks good, and we are super excited and of importance grateful to God for taking us this far and blessing us. We are grateful, so let's do that. And it looks so good already because it's spring and the flowers are springing out. So yeah, let's go. Come, look at trees like this. Amazing. I'm leaving our village now. It's so beautiful. We were spark and we are looking fresh. Hate it when my doubts and my fears swell up like the ocean. It feels like I love these juices. We're gonna have one right now. Woohoo! Hate it when my doubts and my fears swell up like the ocean. It feels like I could drown in my tears. Everything's overflowing. Scared that I won't get it right, get it right. My nerves are working overtime, overtime. Tell myself to calm down and breathe. Eindhoven is the fifth largest city in the Netherlands, located in the southern province of North Brabant. Known as the City of Lights, Eindhoven transitioned from a small 19th century industrial town into a global hub for technology, modern design, and high-tech innovation. Much of its growth and modern identity stems from the founding of Philips in 1891, alongside automotive giant DAF and tech leaders like ASML in the surrounding region. Today, the city is famous for its vibrant creative culture, repurposed industrial heritage, modern architecture, and lively culinary scene. For us, the mission is to explore a little bit, just a normal day in the life, and we gonna be eating something, drinking something, and of course a little bit of shopping. So whatever interesting thing we come across, we gonna be capturing that for you guys so that you can also enjoy as we explore. Okay, so come with us, and without further ado, enjoy the montage and let's spend the day together. Alright, here we go. have arrived. It's actually really cold. Just taking a walk and enjoying the beautiful city of Eindhoven. It's super beautiful over here. Cafes. These ones don't feel interesting. And here is Bavaria. Super nice. Here is the canal. The Dome. Of Eindhoven. Van Abbe Museum. Today went better than expected. We have explored good, we have shopped good, we have also enjoyed a bit of food, coffee, and yeah, walking around. It was fun and we had a lot of fun. I hope you also guys had fun with us, and we brought you along good. And I will share a little bit more as we plan to head home, so come with us, enjoy the video, and then I will see you later when we are already back at home. How did you see Eindhoven? Did you love it? Did you like it? I also have a video which I'm gonna be linking down below in the channel for you to watch if you haven't watched the Eindhoven Glow Festival, which is really interesting and beautiful in November. So I'm gonna link up that video on the description bar so that you can also watch it if you'd like to have a look at that. Okay. Hi guys, I'm back home and I'm super tired. Yeah, the lighting on this room is not so good, but yeah, so this is where I end today's vlog. Thank you so much for joining me on today's vlog. I'm super happy. I had a lovely day and we shopped a lot. Maybe I can show you a little bit of that also in the next vlog or in this vlog if I'm able to. So yeah, that was it. And the top I'm wearing currently is from the buys from Temu. Yeah, it's super cute as you can see. Yeah, love them. And the other one was in white and the other one was in black and red. So yeah, they're super nice. So I'll see you guys on the next vlog. Bye bye.